In this video, I am going to show you how to request money on the Wise app. Creating a payment request is free and easy with Wise. Once payments are completed, you'll receive your money directly into the account balance of the currency you requested. There are a few ways to request money, but keep in mind that requests are only valid for 30 calendar days. If you send has a Wise account, you can request money in any currency as long as you have at least one set of account details open. If they don't have a Wise account, you can only request money from them in a currency you have account details for. Once the money has been deposited into your balance, you can instantly convert it to other currencies. You can do it from the Wise balance. Select Request from the home screen. You can also select the currency first, then select More, Receive, Request a payment. To get paid by another Wise user, simply select them from the list. Choose Get Paid by Anyone on the app or someone not on Wise on web. Enter the amount and click Create Payment Link or Send Request. From the Payment tab, select Payments from the main navigation menu. Select Payment Requests. Click Request a Payment or New. Enter the amount and click Create Payment Link. Or directly from Contacts. Choose a contact from your recent contacts or by clicking on Recipients. Click on their name and then select Request. If they have a Wise account, you'll see the option to request directly from there. If it's a contact with an account outside Wise, you can create a payment link. Enter the amount and click Create Payment Link or Send Request. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe.